Hello, welcome to How to Literally. I'm going to show you how to make a chasing game in Scratch to identify. So first of all, select the player sprite, for example shark, and create a score variable. Add when flag clicked with set score to 0 and go to XY. Choose an XY location near the bottom left of the game screen. So to code the player's movement, first of all, add 4 when key pressed blocks to the code area, as you can see there. Change each block, up arrow, down arrow, right arrow and left arrow. On each block, attach a repeat 10 block for up and down arrow. Add the change Y block inside with 2 for up and 2 for down. For right left arrow, add the change X block inside with 2 for right and 2 for left. So to code the fish, start by coding one sprite first. You'll copy the code later. Add when clicked to the fish code and attach the go to random position block. Add a forever rotating block with a move 3 steps, turn rotating 1 degree, another move 3 steps, and if on edge, bounce inside of it. Then you'll need to sense the shark. Add another when clicked to the fish's code area. Attach a forever rotating block with an if then block inside of it. Drag touching shark into the if statement bracket. Inside if statement, add a start sound, change score by 1, turn rotating 180 degrees and wait half seconds. Choose any sound you want for your sprite. This example uses coin. And finally, you'll need to add brightness. Replace if then with the if then else block. Attach the set brightness effect to 100 below the start sound block. And finally, attach the set brightness effect to 0 in the else statement.